Swoosh look. Welcome from me, myself, and the hairman. The beast of me. Good morning, it's early. Smell that bleach. Oh, crikey, smell that bleach. I've done the cleaning today. Got to get stuck in, haven't we? You know, backs to the walls. Janitor, salesman, business owner. Just get on with it, don't you? Right, okay. Where are we located? In Bristol. In Bristol, in Somerset. That's where we're located in the UK. Alright, my lover. And we speak very strange in Somerset. Very lazy on the R's. The rain in Spain stays mainly on the plain. So I have to try and curtail the right, my lover. Anyway, it's a place called Bristol, which is in the southwest. I'm here because I'm from Bristol and I've moved back to be closer to my family and folks as they get older. That's my choice. But we're all over the UK in affiliates and so forth. It's so important that you come to see me in Bristol. Make that effort. Location is fantastic to get to from the M4, M5. We've got Bristol Airport, we've got train service, which is fantastic. And it's so important to come and see me in the location, or one of the consultants, one of the stylists. I do Skype with anyone outside, say 100, look, I'll FaceTime anyone if is quickly. Hey, how you doing? Look at my hair. Do you like it? Yeah, great. Let's meet. That kind of stuff. That's no problem. I do prefer to Skype because I've got my hands free, and as you know, I speak like that a lot, right? So, so yeah, Skyping is my preference, so I can show people with my hands and look in the PC instead of hold a camera, and I can go through that. I do expect people to make an effort and maybe get ready to make a template, get a helper in to do that. If they can't get to me, I'm extremely confident about getting it right with templates over Skype. So location in the UK is Bristol. Obviously now you've heard that I'm doing franchises. London is obviously going to be massive. So people are going to be able to go to pretty much every city, hopefully within, I'll set a target of 7 years. Hopefully within 7 years, yeah. So, and that'll make it easier. But we're in the now, so come and see me and we can go from there, okay? Location is Bristol or Brittle. And we speak like that in Bristol. Yeah, but no but. That kind of thing, yeah? Anyway, so I go back to my posher voice. I hope to see you all very soon in Bristol. Take care, guys. Goodbye from me, myself, and the hairman. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. And have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.